So let's see today's lovely recipe of Goan prawn and bhendi caldine. Let's go through the ingredients. Here I have 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 medium onion chopped fine, 1 small tomato chopped fine, half a cup of prawns and 4 bhendis or ladyfingers, 7 to 8 cloves of lavang and 5 cloves of garlic chopped fine, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 cup of thick coconut milk, some salt to taste. So those are all the ingredients that we need. Now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan. So while the oil is getting nice and hot, I'm going to mix all of these powder masalas well together. And then I'm going to add the vinegar to the powder masalas and mix everything to make a nice thick paste. Now we want the oil to be nice and hot, so on a low to medium flame I'm going to heat the oil up. And like I said, I'm going to add this vinegar to the masalas and I'm going to mix them well till they become a nice paste. So this is a very refreshing light curry and it goes best with some lovely rice. So that's done. And now that our oil is hot, I'm going to add the cloves or the lavangs. I'm going to fry them a bit so that they flavor the oil really well. And now I'm going to add the chopped up garlic. Now it's always very handy that, if you peel some garlic and keep it in a small airtight container in your refrigerator so that you don't need to, sit and last minute, clean up and peel up garlic. Now I'm going to add some chopped onion and saute it well. We're going to fry this onion till it becomes nice and translucent. So this curry, if you haven't tried out this Goan Caldine Curry, you should because it's really, really delicious. Now I'm going to add this mix powder paste of pepper, coriander, cumin and turmeric. Now I'll leave the video link of how I prepare my powder masalas at home, that is for coriander, pepper and cumin, how I prepare my powders masalas at home. I'll leave a link to my video. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk and we're going to mix all of this really, really well. Well, already my kitchen has such a beautiful, the aroma of this caldine is really, really it's very mild, but it's really very nice. Now I'm just going to flavor it with some salt to taste. And this caldine gets ready also pretty quickly, as you will see. Now I'm going to add the prawns. Now the quantity that I'm making is just enough for 2 people. So if you want to make it for 4, then just double the quantity. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes. And we're going to mix everything nicely well together. Cook on a low to medium heat, stirring in between. And now I'm going to add these lady fingers that I've just, cut off the top, the tips, and I'm adding it to the curry. And now we're just going to cover and cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes so that the prawns as well as the lady fingers or the bhendi gets cooked. So on a low to medium heat, on a very low heat actually, just cook it for about 7 minutes. Now you'll see that the curry has really thickened up, or the caldine has thickened up. So we're going to add about 1/4 cup of water. We don't want it to be very watery like a stew, but we have to have a little bit of thickish consistency. So I'm just going with about 1/4 cup of water. So add that and then mix everything or stir everything well. Now I also have another recipe for a fish caldine, so I'll leave the link for that also below so you can go and check it out. And again I'm going to cover and just cook this for about 2 minutes so that everything comes together. And then we're just going to turn off the heat and our caldine is all ready. This is super, super delicious, guys, and the aroma also is so beautiful. So give this a try and let me know in the comment section as to how you like it. Don't forget to go and check out my blog. I'll leave a link to that below. I'll leave a link to this fish caldine recipe that I had posted a few months ago. And also don't forget to visit my Amazon store. And it's always regularly updated with all the stuff that I buy or I suggest that you buy on Amazon. So go and check it out, guys. Thank you.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.